Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is encoder. Basically it is priority encoder, okay, but which are giving we giving priority, that is priority encoder. Basically in a decoder that will be 2 into 4 decoder, 3 into 8 decoder. In encoder number of input is maximum and number of input is minimum. 4 into 2 encoder. Encoder is usually basically used to encode the inputs. Okay, it is usually basically used to encode the inputs. Let's suppose 4 into 2 decoder where 4 is input and 2 is output, and 8 into 3 encoder where 8 is input and 3 is output. Okay, so let's suppose we are making here example of 4 into 2 encoder. We are talking about encoder. So 4 input, let's suppose 4 input is I0, I1, I2 and I3, and 2 output is Y0 and Y1. So here I0, I1, I2 and I3 as an input and Y1 and Y0 and Y1 as a output. So here you can check if I0 is present, other one is 0, we get first of all, if all input is 0, any don't care condition can be there. Now if I1 is present and other one is 0, that will be 0 0. If I1 is present and I2 and other is 0, the condition is 0 1. Then if I2 is present, condition is this, and if I3 is present, condition is this. Okay, now we will make K-map. So K-map for I0 will be K-map for I0 equal to I0 will be like this. So pay attention how I am filling the K-map. I0, I1, I2 and I3. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. It is for Y0. So you can check Y0 is only present 1 when I0 I1 is 0 0 and I2 I3 is 1 0 and 0 1. So here you can check when I1 I2 I3 are not 0 0 conditions. So there will be don't care. Y1 will be don't care. So I1 I0 0 0 0 1 sorry 0 0 and I2 I3 will be there will be 0, and when I1 is I0 is 1, I1 is 1. You can check I0 is 1 and I1 is 1. The condition is 0 0. Okay, you can check I0 is 1. So I0 is 1 is there. Okay, and I1 is 1. So I1 is 1 is there. Okay, then the condition is 0. Now Y0 1 when I0 0 0, I2 1 0. So I0 1 0 there. So there will be 1 1 1 and 1, because at this condition I2 and I3 is 1 0. So at this condition Y0 will be 1 and 0 1 condition. This will be 1. Okay, now at 1 1 condition I2 and I3 both are 1, then I2 1, then Y0 1, I3 1, then Y0 1. So it will be 1, and at this condition I2 I1, then I0 will be 0. So here 0. It is a don't care condition. So we will make a pair like this and like this. So you can take Y0 equal to, for this pair, because it is 12 pair, we don't make any pair of 12, we make 8 and 8 pair here. So for this will be eliminated. Only we have I3, and plus for this only we have I2. Okay, now we will make a K-map for Y1. So how we can make the K-map for I1, I0, I1, I2 and I3 here. So this is a K-map for I1. So I1 is 1 when I1 is 1, Y1 is 1 when I1 is 1, and when I3 is 1. So here you can also write it directly, but I will make K-map to confusion. So at this condition I2, I3, this will be don't care condition. Now Y1 will be 1 when I1 0 1 condition, I2 is 0 1 condition, and I3 is 0 0 condition. So here 0 1 condition. So all 0 1 condition will be 1. Now this 0 0 and 0 1 condition. So here 0 1 condition. So here all will be 1. Now you can check. It will 0 1. I2 is 0 1. Okay. Now at 1 1 condition, it will be 0 at 1 1. But at 1 1 condition it will be 1, and 1 0 condition I0 1, and it will be 0. So it will be 1. At this condition it will be 0. So it will make a pair like this. So at this condition you can check only I2 I3 is eliminated, only the I1 plus I0. So you can also check that Y1 is I1 and only Y1. Okay, I0 and Y0. So you can also make it like this. Now if you want to make a circuit, you can make a circuit like this. So I2, I3, I1 and I0. Yes. So it will make like this. I3, I2, or like this for Y0, and for Y1, I1 and I0 ORing. I1 and I0 or that will be Y1. So you can make your pair like this. So we will do one example for parity encoder that will be more clear to you. I will do an example like this. Example is, please make decimal to BCD encoder. Okay, decimal to BCD encoder. So here decimal number is from 0 to 9 and BCD is also from 0 to 9, but binary, that will be 0002 1001. So we should make decimal to BCD encoder. So here we can make a circuit like decimal to BCD 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and BCD will be like this B0, B1, B2 and B3. So it will be 8-4 encoder. Okay, where 10 is input, 0 to 9, 10 input and 4 output. So here we will make like input and output. Input will be decimal, that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And equivalent output, BCD output will be B0, B2 and B3. That will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is a BCD equivalent of a decimal. So you can check that B3 is the B naught. Okay, B naught. First of all, we will talk about B naught. B naught will be on when 8 and 9 is 1, another will not be open. So 8 XOR 9. Then B1 will be like this, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Now B2 will be when 2, 3, 6 plus 7. Now B3 will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is our BCD. Now we will make a circuit diagram for this, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will make this like this. Now B naught will be 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 ORing, that will be B naught. Now B1 will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 4, 5, 6 and 7. ORing, that will be V1. Now B2 will be 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6 and 7. This will be your OR, that will be B2. Now B3 will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So XOR between OR between them, then B3. So it will be your BCD encoder. Okay, so it will be your circuit. Now if you have any query regarding this subject, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day and take care.